Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, wish you all a very happy Dhanteras and happy Diwali in advance. And second of all, I just want to apologize. I know I have been irregular, and that was because of the renovation work that is going on at my home. I did make a video on my house renovation and I will surely post it. I don't know when, because अभी भी it is not fully completed. My renovation वाला काम जो भी है, it is in midway. थोड़ा हो गया, थोड़ा नहीं हुआ है because of the painter, he was ill or something. I'll tell you in detail बाद में. So I did make a video, so जैसे वो complete होता है I'll share with you all. And literally my home was a mess. I couldn't shoot because of that. And yeah, so as you can of course read by the title, today's video is going to be about my Diwali outfits. This video is about that only. I'll show you what all you can do with your lehengas or what all I have to wear for this Diwali. Though abhi tak I haven't got my dress for Diwali, so I don't know kya hoga because of work and all, and I'm just not getting time for that. So let's see kya hota hai. Diwali is in 2 days, I guess. Yeah, so it will be fun. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. So for number one, I have this beautiful blue, sky blue color dress. So it is a kurta, basically a kurta जिसमें बीच में slit है, and with a skirt. Yeah, kurta with a skirt, and of course a dupatta, which you can wear like whatever, in whatever way you want to. You can even wrap it around your neck. I personally don't like it that way. I prefer it taking it sideways. I don't know, I just like it that way only. And I kept the look simple with with earrings, white earrings, and I put a bindi, of course. My hair open, I just put a clip पीछे की side, and yeah, I felt a very minimal cute sa look it is. But I don't really like the skirt with it. I don't know for what reason, I just don't like it. So this is what my second outfit looks like. I know you must be thinking same ही तो है, इसमें क्या अलग किया? But no, wait, and I forgot to pin my dupatta and it kept falling. So I paired this look with a legging. So legging say it gave the look of anarkali, and it looked like anarkali, which I really like because अच्छा लग रहा था. And इसके साथ you can even wear it गले में कुछ भी, a small chain or something. I prefer taking my दुपट्टा गले में ऐसे because मुझे अच्छा लग रहा था उस टाइम, और लेगिंग के साथ सुंदर लग रहा था, बहुत कैजुअल लग रहा था. इस पॉइंट में मुझे एक नया आइडिया आया. सो दिस इज़ द स्कर्ट जो मैंने अभी लास्ट ब्लू वाले के साथ पहनी थी. यू मस्ट हैव सीन, अभी पहनी थी मैंने. एंड आई वेयर इट विद अ डार्क ब्लू नेवी ब्लू ब्लाउज एंड अ दुपट्टा. ओके, सो वन थिंग आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट, प्लीज़ टेक अ दुपट्टा जो थोड़ा हैवी हो एंड थोड़ा बड़ा हो. I didn't have any blue color ka, so I took this only. And same earrings, same hair, I changed nothing. And इसमें भी गले में you can wear anything. So yeah, so please take a bigger dupatta because so you can style the dupatta in any way, but I styled it in a way जिससे थोड़ा लहंगा साड़ी का look दे. And because मेरे पास नहीं था blue heavy dupatta, so I chose this, which I think is going pretty well with the blouse and outfit. And I really like because lehenga sarees were very famous time में, and I really like. और do let me know in the comment section कैसी लगी है. And yeah, mandatory twirl. And wow, Kritika, you look amazing. So this was the third look. Moving on to fourth. Oh my god, my absolute favorite. This is the fourth look. And yeah, this is the pura lehenga. I really like iska dupatta. Oh my god, so pretty, like literally so pretty. And yeah, मैं acting कर रही हूँ. I love this. So this outfit is kinda heavy. थोड़ा heavy है इसका लहंगा because पूरे पे work है. So I paired it with a minimal jewelry, छोटे से झुमका and a ponytail. थोड़ा casual देने के लिए because मुझे शादी में नहीं जाना. दिवाली है तो इसलिए. and I really like dupatta again because I don't know, इसका दुपट्टा the work is quite nice. Wow. इसमें and yeah बहुत सारे लटकन, you know, I really like लटकन्स. एंड इसका पूरे लहंगे पे दिस वर्क, बहुत हैवी वर्क है, कढ़ाई है, एंड दैट्स वाई आई लव दिस लहंगा. एंड या सामने मेरे भाई बैठा था जो कमेंट किए जा रहा था. मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट वन. दिस वेरी सिंपल मिनिमल लाइट वेट स्कर्ट. आई रियली लाइक दिस. सो फॉर दिस आई लाइक द एम्ब्रॉयडरी जो इसके कॉर्नर्स में हो रही है नेक में. एंड द स्कर्ट इज़ क्वाइट, मतलब एकदम हल्की सी, बहुत हल्की. इट इज़ वेरी कंफर्टेबल, बहुत ज़्यादा. अभी इससे लास्ट वाला वॉज सो हैवी एंड दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट. सो आई पेयर इट विद अ वॉच, गोल्डन वॉच. या आई रियली लाइक द डिटेलिंग, मतलब इसके नेक पे जो वर्क है. एंड या सम गोल्डन इयरिंग्स. प्लीज़ इग्नोर एम्बुलेंस. I really like this outfit. Very casual, minimal. I like. I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't know. No idea. So moving on. I guess I will. No. I don't know. Wow, palat. I like this outfit. Like, yeah, very nice. So let's move on. Sixth outfit. So I paired the same skirt with a shirt this time, and I don't really like this outfit. I don't know why. The shirt with skirt goes very well, and I wore very heavy earrings. And yeah, this necklace ये बहुत लंबा था, so मैंने इसको डबल किया था. शर्ट स्कर्ट के साथ बहुत सुंदर लगती है. आई डोंट नो क्यों नहीं लग रही, मुझे नहीं अच्छी लगी थी. एंड या वेरी लूज ब्रेड आई डिड, साइड ब्रेड आई डिड. बहुत कैजुअल सा, ऐसा फंकी, बहुत क्वाइट बोहेमियन लुक दे रहा है. इट वॉज वेरी कम्फर्टेबल. द शर्ट इज़ कम्फर्टेबल ऑफ कोर्स, द स्कर्ट इज़ कम्फर्टेबल, बहुत लाइट है. सो आई डू लाइक दिस आउटफिट, बट द ओनली रीज़न आई डिडंट लाइक is because of the heavy earrings. Like, yeah, it did pain my ear. Oh my god. So moving on to the seventh outfit. Voila. Seventh outfit is a sari. You can never go wrong with a sari. Oh my god, never ever. And I to love sari. And by the way, I stole this sari from my mom. It is cotton sari, I guess. Yeah, it is cotton. And very light and minimal work, and the color is also very nice and pleasing to eyes. Oh my god, I really like. And yeah, and you know what, I wore this sari like on my own. I didn't take help of my mom. And that's why I was excited. I do like saris a lot, and okay, I'm saying that this is my favorite. Yeah, the same heavy earrings I wore. And a pony to keep the look very casual. So you can never go wrong with a sari. Sari on Diwali are, like blast. And yeah, the pallu flip, oh my god. I'm so over dramatic. Sometimes. Well, you should. Sometimes. So I really like, because बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम. और सारी है, सारी किसको अच्छी नहीं लगती, सबको अच्छी लगती है, सब पे अच्छी लगती है. और ये तो ऊपर से कॉटन साड़ी, बहुत हल्की. सो आई लाइक, आई डू लाइक साड़ी. आई लव sarees a lot. You can also wear like a neck piece गले में if you want to, or some kada or bangles in the hand. But I kept this look very simple. I don't know, I just like it that way. I just wanted कि सारा focus बस साड़ी पे ही जाए. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and this is my since the festive season is going on, so this is what I would prefer like for me, I would prefer, wearing and like a sari or a lehenga or suit and all, because I just really like the vibe of the season, because it is just amazing, festivals around, and I'm so happy. And you know what, I'm in love with this sari, like how it is so comfortable, oh my god, and it looks so gorgeous. I can't tell you. Although that lehenga, the heavy one, was my favorite अभी तक, I guess अब से ये this is my favorite. I am just in love with this. And yeah, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like this video. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy Dhanteras. Bye, enjoy.